Good evening, this is Keith All and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to talk about how to make a loading page for a website using Builderall, specifically the Cheetah Builder within Builderall platform. So what is a loading page? Well, here I'll give you an example. So whenever you press or enter in any URL, sometimes you see a loading page. And I'm going to show you that right now, but understand it's going to go by quickly. So watch what it does when I press enter. This is what I mean by a loading page. Basically what that was a GIF, an animated GIF that momentarily displays until the web page is done loading, and then the rest of the web page loads up for you. So it just gives the user an indication, okay, it's trying to connect to the page, but it may take a little bit. So that's what a loading page does. Now let's see how we could do this in the Cheetah Builder using the Builderall platform. I already have a page set up on my website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the page. Give it a second. See, this is loading up, so that's another example of something, a loading page. So basically what I did was I created a page, and all I did was added a panel, and then on top of that panel I added an image element, and that's all I did. Now let's see how I got this loading GIF on here. So we're going to search for another GIF, and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to delete this element, image element. Okay, I'm going to leave the panel that I already have on here. Now let's go to Google. And all you have to do is, once you go to Google, let's go Google. All you do is type in loading GIF. And of course, Google is going to display a lot of examples here for you. So all we have to do is we could go up here, click on images. And these are all loading GIFs that people have made and uploaded to the internet. So you could select any one that you want. I'm going to randomly select this one. And what you want to make sure is that it's transparent, which this one is. And if you right click on it, save image as, and make sure it says GIF image. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. It downloaded to my PC. Now let's go back to the Cheetah Builder. Select the panel that you want to add the image element to. Okay, I'm going to select add and then elements, and then let's scroll down and let's find the image element. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the horizontal image one. Just click on that, and it pops it onto your panel. Now we want to make sure that it's active. And let's select edit, and let's go over to general settings for the image element. And we're going to change the image. Now I already have a directory here for my website, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the upper right and select file, and then I'm going to navigate to my file explorer to the location where this image is at, this GIF image, which is this one. So I'm going to select open, and see the animated GIF, see what it's doing. So I'm going to select that, come down here to the lower right and select save, and we got this loading image. Now what's unique about a transparent image, the background color of your panel could be any color. So I'm going to go over here, select the panel, and I'm going to go over to general colors, and I'm going to change the background color to any color that I want. It could be red, it could be black, it could be any color that you want. And I'm just going to select white for this case. But I just want to show you that for an animated GIF that's transparent, you could have any color that you want. So I'm going to click on Save. I want to publish this site. And I'm going to click on Close. And let's go over here. And I'm going to select my page, the Instagram page, and we're going to go to this page. Now I may have to reload this again for the changes to take effect, but let's see what happens here. See, it's still got my older one there. So let's go ahead and refresh this page. Or actually, let's type in the correct URL. And there's the new loading image on my page. So that is how we can make a loading page for a website using the Builderall platform, and specifically with the Cheetah Builder. Thank you for stopping by today. Hopefully this gave you a new skill set so you could create some loading pages for yourself. And remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. And the sole purpose of clicking on that bell notification is whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be first to be notified. And again, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support. If you have any new any ideas on any future tutorials, just type them in the comments below and I'll make sure I work on it for you. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.